Congratulations on the purchase of your new Kia e-Soul. Here's just a quick video to get you up to speed on some of the internal features of this car. So on the right hand side we have our mirror adjustment settings. These arrows actually change the positioning of the mirrors. We also have our auto folding button. As you can see, the mirrors fold in, and then if you press it again they will fold out. We then have our central locking just behind, and we have our electric window switches for front and rear. Coming behind the steering wheel on the dash here, we have a couple of buttons for lane keep assist. We have our blind spot detection, and we also have our traction control. Coming to the leather wrap steering wheel, this is a multifunctioning steering wheel. On the right hand side we have our cruise control button. So we press this button to get into cruise control mode, and then if we want to set, we click set button here at our desired speed, and then we can increase or decrease as you wish. This button here is our adaptive cruise control setting. This operates using a front radar camera situated here behind the camera, and this will send a radar out in front of the car to maintain a safe distance between you and the car in front of you. This will adapt in accordance to the car in front of you. Then on the left hand side we have our multimedia functions. So this button here can accept calls, this button here declines calls. We have our voice recognition button, and we can also adjust the volume on the radio by flicking up or down, whichever you like. So the main question we get asked in our new cars is how to set up our Bluetooth devices. So from the start we click setup. You'll then see this icon for phone connection. You come in here and you go to Bluetooth connections and click add new. You then click OK, and then if you go into your phone, you'll see at the bottom Kia Motors comes up at the bottom of the device. You click that, click pair, and then allow your contacts to sync, and your hands-free device will be ready for action. Come to the bottom here, we have our automatic climate control. So if we want the automatic climate control to kick in, we click this button here, and then to click it off we just click the off button. This adjusts the temperature, and this adjusts the power of the air conditioning. Down here we have a couple of charging points. So we have two 12-volt charging points and a USB connection. We also have a wireless charging point here at the front. Then our heated seats are operated. This is the passenger side, driver side heated seat. Our heated steering wheel. We have 3 drive modes: Eco, Sport and Normal. We have an auto hold function and our parking sensors. We also have an automatic transmission which we twist to go to drive, middle for neutral, right, left for reverse. Then we just click park when we're parked, and we have our electric handbrake which we just click up when we're parking. If you have any further questions about this car, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you.